Now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to lot number 8. It's showing behind me the Claude Monet, the Mo, showing up here behind me, and we start the bidding on this work at $45 million. $45 million, $48 million, 48's bid, $50 million, $50 million I have, 60 million, I'll take 62, 65 million on the iron, 65 million. Ladies bid at 65 million, 67, thank you very much, 67 million, 68 with Mark, 68 million with Mark, 75, madam, should we say? 79 million bid, 81 million. This is a very interesting bidding progression. Not entirely sure who's in charge. 86 million. Bidding. No more. At 86 million, 87 million. The longer you spend buying it, the longer you'll spend enjoying it. 88 million. 88? No more? 89. After this, I'll have to go up in twos, Brooke. Could you perhaps forewarn your bidder? 90 million. Thank you. 90 million, and the next bid will be 92 million, please, Brooke. 90 million. 92, please. No, 92, please. Well, what's sauce for the goose? 91 million. 92 million it is in this room.
94.
Thank you very much. 94 million. 95 million. I offer it to you, madam. 95. $95 million. 96 million. 97. 97. Right. Your bid, madam, at $97 million. Anybody else in this room? But now, I sell to you, madam, for 97 million. 97. Thank you.